Welcome to my channel. I'm Trisha Gupta and today I'm going to swatch and review Mars Creamy Matte Lipsticks. I have 6 shades with me that I'm going to swatch today. I'm very excited. So saying that, let's get started. It comes in a cardboard box and each shade has a similar but different packaging. The first shade that I'm trying is Zesty Zumba. Here's the inner packaging and this is the quantity you get. First I'm doing a hand swatch. Now let's try this. The formula glides on very easily. It's a very creamy formula. Here's the pigment payoff. It's pigmented but not super pigmented. You have to apply multiple layers to build the pigment. The more layers you apply, the darker the shade gets. So now this shade is so pretty. It's a mix of pink and brown. It's muted, it's not bright, and this will suit fair to light medium skin tones. Now let's do the transfer test, and it's not transfer proof as expected. Now you can see the packaging is same but there is a bit of difference. Name से उन्होंने packaging match किया है. The next shade is Bollywood Surprise. Now I'm gonna show you guys a quick hack not related to this video but I want to share it. So with creamy matte formulas, if you light-handedly tap and apply the lipstick, now you will get such a pretty natural flesh color. Just look at it, it looks so natural. If you are into everyday lipsticks, you can try this hack. Now I'm applying this normally. I have to say the formula is really good and comfortable for the price point. You guys won't believe, but on sale I got this around 120 rupees each. I know, crazy deal. Anyways, this shade is a very pretty warm brown shade. What I like about this shade is it's not super orangish, still it's warm but not extreme orangish. If you have warm undertone, you will like this. The next shade that I have is Disco Divane, and by the packaging you can see it's a very bright pink shade. I personally like muted mauve pink shades, but bright pink shades look really good with Indian outfits in my personal opinion. But I feel bright pink shades are not super Indian skin tone friendly. Here's the shade Disco Divane. It's a pretty bright pink shade, but I personally think this will only suit fair to light medium skin tones. I'm not 100% sure, so please feel free to correct me. Now that's all for this shade. The next shade that I have, I was very excited to try this one. I keep seeing this on my feed, so I got influenced to buy this. It's Ariel Avi. I don't know how to pronounce that. I am dyslexic, so मुझे थोड़े pronunciation and words में problem होती है. So please don't come for me. I am really sorry for the inconvenience, but I will call this Ariel. So this is what Ariel looks on me. It's a very pretty peachy pinkish nude shade on me. It's a very pretty nude shade. Again, this will suit light to fair skin tones and maybe medium skin tones with a brown lip liner. But yeah, it's a very pretty nude shade. On my undertone I am getting more peach, but on some people it looks more pink. Now the next shade that I have is Khoobsurat Kuchipudi. Sorry for my bad pronunciation, I'm not sure, but it's a very orange brown shade on me. You guys know I personally don't like orangish brown shades. It's not my everyday shade. I know orangish brown shades look good on me, but honestly I don't reach out for them. Now look at it, it's very orange. I barely see any brown. It's straight up orangish with a hint of brown. आई नो आप में से बहुत लोगों ने मुझे कहा है कि इस टाइप के शेड्स मेरे पे अच्छे लगते हैं, बट ऑनेस्टली एवरी डे पे मैं ये पहन नहीं सकती. इफ़ यू हैव वार्म अंडरटोन आई थिंक दिस विल लुक बेटर ऑन यू. नाउ द लास्ट शेड दैट आई हैव इज बॉलरूम पैशन. नाउ आई हैव अ रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप लोगों ने ये लिपस्टिक ट्राई की है तो फील फ्री टू शेयर योर फीडबैक विल हेल्प अदर्स. आई पर्सनली फील द फॉर्मूला इज गुड, but the shade that I'm swatching right now, I don't like it. I hate this shade. What the hell is this shade on me? I personally don't like it. It's looking so yellow. It's like a brown, orange, and yellow mix. It looks like a poop shit wala color. So I don't like this shade specifically. But shades can look different according to your skin tone and undertone. So for reference, I have neutral undertone, but my skin has a yellow tint to it. In India, I'm considered fair. My summer foundation shade is 220 in Maybelline. Here's my final review. Honestly, I don't have much to say. It's a very simple lipstick formula. It's good. Just like the name, it's a creamy matte formula, gives you creamy matte finish. good pigment payoff, very comfortable on your lips. It's really good for the price point. Honestly, it's a good product. One thing, these lipsticks are not transfer proof, smudge proof, so you have to reapply them. But that's very basic with creamy matte formulas. One more thing is कि आप जब इसे ऑर्डर करो मेक श्योर रिप्लेसमेंट और रिटर्न इज अवेलेबल, बिकॉज मैंने 6 शेड्स ऑर्डर किए थे जिसमें से 2 शेड्स वेर डैमेज्ड, so I have to exchange them. So make sure that exchange and return is available, because in the summer season you can receive broken lipsticks, so keep that in mind. But keeping that aside, the product itself is nice, and for 190 200 rupees it's good. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. It means a lot that you guys watch my videos. Please like and subscribe and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.